Hey guys, this is a quick video in how to check the heater control valve in your BMW e46. The valve could be stuck open or closed, and in this video I am going to take it apart to check if it is clogged from the inside. Then I will check if it works. In my case, I had a doubt that this valve is stuck open, so I get always hot air when the air conditioning is on. That's why I decided to check it. To make sure that my valve is working, I bought another one from the junkyard, which costed me about €5. As you can see, the part number is the same, but the version is different. The version is presented by the letters A and B. Inside the valve there is a stem. The coolant is flowing in the direction of this arrow from the bottom to the top. These are the rubber mounting elements of the valve on the engine bay. Now to take the valve apart, you will need a Torx. I believe it was a 20. There are 4 screws holding the valve body to the coil housing. That's the coil. We keep it aside for the moment. This is the magnet, which is under the magnetic field, pushes the stem downwards to close the valve. You can see here the closing element and the valve body. The valve looks clean from the inside, which is a good sign. I sprayed some WD-40 just to make sure that the stem is moving freely, but it wasn't necessary. Actually, the coolant is including additive which lubricate the moving parts on the cooling circuit. Then I assembled everything together. Let's check the resistance of the coil. It's about 12 ohms, which is okay. It was also the same value for the other valve, so the coil is not damaged. Then I supplied the 12 volt to the valve to check if the stem is moving freely. You can see how the valve is working. I installed back the heater valve and I connected the multimeter to monitor how and when it gets the 12 volt from the air conditioning control unit. And here are the results. When the ignition is on, the valve is closed and it is getting the 12 volt. When the heater is on, the valve opens, so it does not get the 12 volt anymore. If the ignition is off, the valve gets again the 12 volt, so it is closed. The interesting thing is that this status stays 15 minutes till the 12 volt are cut and the valve opens again. Because I was wondering why this waste of energy, why the ignition is off. Certainly this is coded like this for a reason. Why the valve should be closed for 15 minutes after turning the ignition off. If you have an answer, write it in the comments section. That's it for the heater valve. Simple to check. Anyone can do it with simple tools. Thank you for watching. See you next time.